Hello everyone, let us integrate this function given to us. So we have that integral of x cubed minus 5 multiplied by 3x squared dx. So at this point, we have to make a simple substitution. So we have that let u be equal to x cubed minus 5. So if we differentiate this with respect to x, we have du over dx is equal to 3x squared. So therefore dx is equal to du divided by 3s squared. So therefore we now have it now that this becomes integral of u multiplied by 3x squared multiplied dx is now du divided by 3s squared. We have du divided by 3s squared. So x squared will cancel out x squared. So we'll be left with integral of u du. So at this point, we can integrate this, and we have that this is u to the power of 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus the constant of integration c. And we have it now that this is u to the power of 2 divided by 2 plus c. But recall that we said let u be equal to x cubed minus 5. So we will substitute x cubed minus 5 in place of u. So therefore, we have it that this is x cubed minus 5 all squared divided by 2 plus c. Thank you so much, and we appreciate you for watching our videos. Please, if you know you found this solution helpful, please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much for doing that, and I will see you in my next video.